Hey everyone, if you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that punches above its weight, the Infinix Note 50 Pro might just be what you need. Starting with the display, the Note 50 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch FHD Plus screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, scrolling, or binge watching, the visuals are smooth and vibrant. Plus, the sleek design with a matte finish gives it a premium feel without the premium price tag. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor, paired with 8 plus 12 gigabytes of RAM. This combo ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming. I tested it with heavy apps and games, and it handled everything like a champ. Battery life is a standout feature here. The 5,200 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And when you need to recharge, the 90-watt fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes. That's a game changer for busy users. Now let's talk cameras. The 50-megapixel main camera takes sharp, detailed photos even in low light. The 32-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Plus, with features like Super Night Mode and AI enhancements, your photos will always look Instagram-ready. It runs on Android 13 with Infinix's XOS 13 skin, which is clean and user-friendly. You also get dual stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick and secure unlocking. So, is the Infinix Note 50 Pro worth it? For its price, it's an absolute steal. If you're looking for a budget phone with premium features, this one's a solid choice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.